Hi, this is Katerini, designer for the brand Katerini, and we have created our first sustainable collection. As we all know, plastic has become one of the biggest issues of our generation today. There is an estimation of about 5 trillion fragments of plastic in our oceans today. It overwhelms our planet, our health, and our lifestyle. After many years of passion for the environment and 2 years of research, our idea of a sustainable collection is now complete. A collection of upcycled pet accessories with the purpose of bringing consciousness in the community and designing a product that is valuable through its traits. The name of the project is Silver Lining, the hopeful side of a situation that might seem gloomy on the surface. The common expression, every cloud has a silver lining, means that even the worst events or situations have or might have a positive aspect. We have decided to transform our fight with plastic into a manifesto, and through creativity, we have found it a useful purpose to embellish 13 accessories extremely wearable. A circular system in our homes, in our businesses, in our schools is surely a manifesto for a better world. We have started with Silver Lining, and so can you by wearing it with hope.